Be shot in seconds, see what matters. In the past 1.5 years, 2 indigenous Tejas light combat aircraft have been involved in accidents. The Indian Air Force is conducting detailed investigations to determine the exact causes and prevent such incidents in the future. But what typically leads to fighter jet crashes? The most common reason is technical malfunction. A fighter jet is an extremely complex machine composed of thousands of critical components: engine, avionics, flight control systems, hydraulic circuits, sensors, and electrical units. A failure in any of these components can cause the aircraft to lose stability. Engine failure, hydraulic pressure loss, and glitches in the flight control computer are among the most frequent technical reasons behind crashes. Another major cause is pilot error. Fighter pilots operate under extremely high pressure, high speeds, complex maneuvers, and split-second decisions. Misjudging altitude, incorrect maneuvering, or an error while interpreting weather or instruments can sometimes lead to accidents. Weather conditions also play a crucial role. Strong winds, heavy rain, fog, cloud formations, or lightning can severely affect visibility and aircraft performance. Flying in adverse weather increases the chances of an accident. A common but often underestimated cause is bird hits. When a bird strikes the engine or fuselage at high speed, it can cause engine flameout or structural imbalance, forcing the pilot to eject. After every crash, the Indian Air Force conducts a thorough investigation, followed by technical improvements and safety upgrades. The Tejas program has already passed multiple demanding tests and continues to evolve. These incidents are treated as learning opportunities to enhance safety rather than doubts on the aircraft's capability. Source: Reuters. Think business, think Be Shot. Tap to subscribe.